Mitsubishi AC error codes. Quick guide. If your Mitsubishi AC is showing an error code, here's exactly what it means. E1. Indoor and outdoor units have lost communication. Check the wiring between them. E2. Remote control signal not received. Replace the battery or check the signal receiver. E3. Outdoor fan motor has stopped. The unit is overheating and shutting down. E4. High refrigerant pressure. Clean the condenser coil and check the outdoor fan. E5. System overloaded. Likely a failing compressor or electrical fault. E6. Signal timeout between indoor and outdoor unit. Check wiring or control board. E7. Outdoor fan motor fault. Worn motor or bad capacitor. E8. Indoor fan motor problem. Check the blower motor or fan wheel. E9. Expansion valve stuck or failed. System cannot cool or heat properly. P1. Indoor air temperature sensor failed. P2. Indoor pipe sensor fault. Coil may freeze or overheat. P4. Outdoor drain sensor failed. Defrost cycle affected. P5. Outdoor pipe sensor faulty. P6. Ice buildup on indoor coil. Check filter, airflow, or refrigerant level. P8. Outdoor temperature sensor failed. U1. Voltage too high. Risk of damage to components. U2. Voltage too low. Check wiring or grid supply. U3. Power interruption detected. Unit locked out for safety. U4. Inverter board communication fault. U5. Abnormal current detected. Compressor or inverter issue. U6. Compressor overloaded. Check coils and refrigerant. U7. Refrigerant flow abnormal. Possible leak or blockage. U8. Outdoor thermistor failed. Now you know every code before you call a technician. Like and subscribe.